welcome back. Morning coffee. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. I am Christina Lynn, and on today's video we will be making over the teenagers room. If you haven't had a chance to see the last video that I did of Noah's room, go back and check that out if you can. Makeup, what is it called? Room makeover on a budget. So we're gonna be working in here today. Didn't really take a whole lot to do. Picked up a couple of items from Walmart as well as Ross, and I'll show you everything that I did pick up, and we're just gonna bring everything together. Found a couple of pieces from Amazon as well. And so this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while and just haven't really got around to it. It's actually his birthday as well. So this, in addition to that, it's also a birthday gift for him. So I'm so excited about that. But anyway, I'm not gonna over talk it. We're just gonna get into the video. I'm gonna show you all the room, the before look. We're gonna move some furniture around as well, because right now the way that it's set up, he doesn't really have enough room to kind of move around in here. The room is kind of small. Well, not really. It could be a little bit larger, put it like that. So let's take a look. So here is a view of the room, the way it looks now. I'm gonna end up taking this desk here and putting it on this side because there's not enough room over here. He has limited space in that corner right here. We're gonna push the bed over a little bit that direction to give it a little bit more room here. So this is how this side looks. Over here, we have a couple of pieces of wall decor. This one is a gaming control, the LED light up gaming control here, and then this picture here. So the colors for the room are going to be pretty much a red, burgundy, black, and gray. That comforter came from Walmart. It's a 7-piece comforter set. So it also has the decorative pillows in there as well. So we're gonna put this, also I purchased this pillow here as well from Walmart. But yeah. And also we have a couple of other things too that I'm gonna show you all as well. I have a light that's gonna gaze up in the star light or whatever it's called. It's gonna be up in the ceiling. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, Josh, come on. Josh. Mark. To move it, or can we move it like that? At least some good everything.
I'm gonna take everything off.
Huh?
I'm gonna take everything off. So I would have liked that necessary.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I know discussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing.
Yeah, see how much more room you have now? You have all this side over here. Yeah, much better. And then we'll push the chair over there. What do you think? Yeah? Okay. Let's push the chair over there. And I'll figure it out. That chair just so big.
Well,
Little
it's
goofy
just,
chair.
it's just easy.
Oh, okay. Big old goofy chair. All right, cool. All right.
Don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Sweet talk. Sweet
Okay, guys, we have a dilemma here. So we're trying to see where we're going to plug up this. What do you think? You want to put it behind the bed, or do you want to put it over there behind?
I say somewhere over here.
My idea was it to go right there, right here. We have to go get another power surge too, because there's so many plugs plugged up. So, what y'all think? Here or there? Better here or better there? Better here or better there? I don't know. I really, cause if you put it above here, it still gives you the same look as Noah's room. So I kind of wanted to put it somewhere different. What do you think? Same rug. This is it here. Same rug here. 36 by 56 inches, and we're gonna put it right on this side when you first come in the room. This thing is so soft. Like, I can't even tell you how soft it is. It feels so nice. Kind of that shimmery, shaggy type feel. We're gonna put it on this side. Believe it or not, I was actually looking for a red rug like this, but they did not have red. So we went ahead and went with the black one. And the next thing we're gonna do is hang up the controller up here, our lighted controller. Decided on putting it on this side over here. Remember, these come from Amazon, very reasonably priced. And it adds a little bit of light to the room, a colorful light.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice.
Just another quick view of how the room looked prior to us changing it around. We did end up moving the furniture around to accommodate the space a little bit better, so you guys will get a chance to see how it turned out. But yeah, and this is a glimpse from the other side of the room, from the other angle, and the way the bed was set up. Here we go. Ta-da! And this is how it came out. I think it came out really, really nice. Really, really nice. I ended up hanging that picture up there on the wall. I think I'm gonna do something better with these pillows. This is the gaming station over here. Homework, schoolwork. This is his gaming chair. I actually found this one on Amazon as well. Very nice chair. It actually reclines also. It's a reclining chair. So I have that. Then found this controller on Amazon. And don't worry, I'll also show you guys how it looks at night as well. Once it gets dark, I'll show you how it looks at night. Makeover on a budget. Doesn't really take a whole lot, guys. Comforter, Walmart. Pretty much everything in here was from Walmart. Pillows, Walmart came with the 7-piece comforter set. Already had that plant, Shop Your House. Already had this mirror here, Shop My House. That, Amazon as well. He already had most of these items in here. The sound bar here. Laundry basket for dirty clothes. Have that over here. The only thing we need to get, I'm actually going to build him a table here. Probably going to build 2. It's going to go from here to house or either to basically sit his PlayStation on. I'm gonna build a table here, probably one over there and one here as well, where he can sit his PlayStations on, his games. That way the wires are not just hanging. But the way that the house is built, it's only 2 wires behind the TV here. There's an outlet here to plug up the wires on that side, and then there's an outlet on this side. So it's not one directly behind the TV, rather. So we're gonna have to find out a way so we can hide those to make it a little bit, to make it look a little bit more seamless. But yeah, this is it. This is how it came out. Overall, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a fat thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know if there's something that you all would change or add. Again, I'm going to order curtains for this room as well, just like Noah's room also. But still shopping for those. More than likely going to get black for this room. Black curtains to add to the decor. Probably black and red is what I'm thinking. Yeah, black and red, or black and burgundy rather. But this is it. So as you can see, it doesn't really take a whole lot to fix up a room. I am so happy with the way everything came out, and I'm going to continue to add to as time goes along. Don't have to get everything at one time. I'm still thinking of extra pieces I'm going to put in here. Like I mentioned, I'm going to build a table, 2 tables on this side, and this is how this side looks here. So I'm gonna put a table here, there, and then one on that side as well, so that way we can put the gaming systems on there just to make it look a little bit more seamless. But probably gonna add a picture here and then one here. I don't really know what yet, and that's a maybe. That's a maybe, because you kind of don't want to take away from the TV, right? I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, guys, that's all I have. I'll come back in a few minutes to show you all what it looks like at night. So thankful for YouTube. It goes, everything goes like that. So in a few minutes, it'll be nighttime and y'all be able to see what it looked like at night.